My name's Sophia Gavor and I work for Transport for London as a signal design engineer. I'm on the signalling apprenticeship scheme, so I'm currently moving around loads of different placements around the company to learn more about signalling, about the railway, and about how the products we design for the railway affect millions of people every day. So the thing I love most about STEM is the amount of variety that it gives you. I used to be working on military equipment and now I'm working on the railways. There's just so much opportunity out there and you can go and work in literally any industry you want. The main thing I love about my job is the problem-solving aspect of it. I really love puzzles and signalling is just one big puzzle. You have to work out which train you can move first before you can move this train, and if this train's broken down then we've got to route it this way and move that one that way. When I was really little, I wanted to be a ballerina, but as I grew up, I realised it wasn't the most sensible career choice. Favourite toys when I was younger were definitely Lego, although that's a very typical engineer answer. I also really loved Scooby-Doos, which are the little plastic strings that you knotted together. I was really jealous of everyone that had the sparkly ones. My favourite subjects at school were definitely physics, although I didn't admit that to anyone else at the time. And I really liked art and textiles. The thing about physics that I really loved the most was mainly all the stuff about space, because that's just really cool, but also all the stuff about atoms, because everyone always is amazed by how big space is, but the thing that amazed me was how small atoms are. I really loved science and I really loved art, so I wanted to find something that combined both of those two together. After my A-levels, I went to university and studied Industrial Design and Technology at Loughborough University. During that time, I went and did a placement year at Avon Protection and I made gas masks for the military and firefighters and police. That was really interesting. And then I went back to university, did my final year, got my degree, and then I went to Qioptic, who make weapon sights and night vision goggles for the military. And then I decided I'd like to move a bit closer to home, so I found a job in London with Transport for London. If I could give you one piece of advice, then it would be to just try it. If you think you might be interested in engineering or design engineering, even if you're not excellent at physics, but you have great problem-solving skills, just go for it. Find a placement or email a company. Most people are very happy to take on students, especially if they're keen. So just give it a go. You never know.